Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account is fully verified and two-step verification isn't blocking payments. Next, make sure your device's date, time, and region match your billing country. Mismatches cause token failures. Once done, update Google Play services and Google Pay to the latest version. Open Google Pay and read the exact error message and time. This tells you whether it's a token, network, or card problem, so you know the next move. Now you diagnose the payment path. Remove the affected card from Google Pay, note the last 4 digits and issuing bank, then re-add the card to force a new token. Clear app cache for Google Pay and Google Play services, then reboot the phone so background services reload. Test on a different network, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, and disable any VPN or proxy. These steps isolate token, app, and network causes so you can pinpoint whether the issue is local or upstream. To finish, contact your card issuer and confirm the card is permitted for Google tokenization and there are no holds. Banks sometimes block tokens by default. After the bank clears it, re-add the card and complete a small verification charge if requested. Make sure Google Pay shows the card's status as active. If problems persist, use a backup card or Google Pay balance while you collect screenshots, exact error codes, and timestamps. Then contact Google support with that info for escalation as the one key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.